In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and verify an email address in GitHub. This is a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you navigate GitHub's interface with ease. So, let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you like using the most. In the search bar, type in GitHub and hit enter. You should see GitHub's website as one of the top search results. Click on it to open the home page. Now, if you don't have a GitHub account yet, you'll need to sign up. Look for the sign up button and follow the prompts to create your account. If you already have an account, click on the login button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard. In the upper right corner of any page on GitHub, you'll notice your profile picture. Click on it and then select the Settings option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Settings area, where you can manage different aspects of your GitHub account. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the sidebar menu on the left-hand side. This menu lists various options for managing your account. Scroll through the list until you find the section labeled Access. Click on it, and you'll see a sub-option called Emails. Go ahead and click on Emails to open that section. In the Emails section, you'll find a field labeled Add Email Address. This is where you can type in the email address you wish to add to your account. So, go ahead and enter the new email address you want associated with your GitHub account in that field. After typing it in, look for the Add button next to the field and click on it. Now that you've added the email, GitHub will send a verification email to the address you just entered. Head on over to your email inbox and look for an email from GitHub. It might take a minute or two to arrive. Once it does, open it and click on the verification link provided in the email. This step is crucial, as verifying your email ensures that your account settings are properly updated and secured, and that wraps up our tutorial. You've successfully added and verified a new email address on your GitHub account. Keep in mind that you can repeat these steps anytime you need to add or manage your email addresses on GitHub. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tech tips and guidance.